guys, paano paggawa na masarap na kininyahang manok, yung creamy. Malamis-namis siya. Okay? Panoorin po ninyo ating mga gagamitin recipes at procedure. Medyo kakaiba po ito. Ibang version to siya. Para maging creamy at sweet things. Napakatamis po niya. Abangan po natin. At tikman po natin ito. Okay guys? What's under? Come and enjoy. Okay guys? Let's go! Pineapple beets, carrots, kamote, fresh milk, coconut cream, onion, garlic, bell pepper, and chicken. Lagyan po natin ng pampalasang manok, gisa ang butter, sunod ang garlic at onion, halu-haluin ito, at chicken. Magic sarap, carrots, and kamote. Fresh milk, pineapple beets, bell pepper, at ang panguli ay ang cooking cream. Haluin ng konti at hayaang maluto ito.